What's the meaning of chaplain? Chaplain. Chaplain.
Chaplain. Chaplain. A chaplain is a religious leader who is typically employed by a specific institution, such as a hospital, prison, or military unit, to provide spiritual guidance and support to those under their care. Chaplains may offer counseling and assistance to individuals in times of crisis or personal struggle, and may also lead worship services and perform religious rites and ceremonies. In many cases, chaplains serve people of all faiths or no faith at all, seeking to provide comfort and support to anyone in need, regardless of their religious background.